In this video, we're going to take a look at how to submit your artifacts to your college and career readiness course, and then how to upload the items to your college and career readiness portfolio. These steps are new this year, so it's important that you follow along so that you make sure that you're following these steps. It is very important that you follow these steps when uploading an artifact to your portfolio, as this will help aid in how your portfolio is organized. Let's get started. In your college and career readiness course, if you have completed an artifact within one of your blocks, your teacher should be taking time to help you submit these artifacts. You're going to come to this course, select the Artifact Submission folder, and under this folder you're going to select the artifact that matches the marking period and the block. So for example, if I have art class, marking period 2, block 2, I'm going to select the artifact that's labeled marking period 2, block 2. The grade level will change based on your grade level. So if you're a 10th grader, you should be seeing 10th grade here, 11th grade, and so on. So go ahead and select that assignment. And then you're going to see inside this assignment directions that help you follow along on how to submit artifacts for a class. If you've done it in Schoology before, it's exactly the same. The only thing that's different is step number 6, and it's about adding your assignment to your portfolio. We'll get to that in a minute. So if you're not aware, to submit an assignment in Schoology, you just come over to the right-hand button, or right-hand side, and click the button that says Submit Assignment. You can upload your assignment here. We do recommend that you upload actual PDFs or actual files, as links to things tend to go invalid over time or may not open in other people's browsers. We'd like to see your hard work, so please make sure that we can see it once you've submitted it. Go ahead and click Submit. And now this next step is the most important step of this process, and it's adding it to your portfolio. To add a submission to your portfolio, you're going to stay right here on this screen where you submitted it and click this button to the left of your submission signal. This button will add it directly to your portfolio. If you click on it, you'll see Select a Portfolio if you have multiple, and you can just select your college and career readiness portfolio, and then click Add. If you see here, there's a little link that you can click to go right to your college and career readiness portfolio. I'm going to click it because I want to show you exactly why we're asking you to follow these steps when submitting and uploading an artifact to your portfolio. So you'll see here in my portfolio what I actually submitted, and I may have had that assignment labeled something else on my computer, but the submission button from the assignment renames it to that marking period 2, block 2 artifact, 9th grade. Why do we want you to do this? This will help organize your portfolios moving forward so we can easily see your growth from 5th grade up to 12th grade. We can see the things that you've completed as a 9th grader, a 10th grader, an 11th grader. And it will help your counselors, your college advisor, your homeroom mentors, your coordinator of post-secondary transitions, really pinpoint artifacts that will help them when they meet with you. So for example, as a coordinator of post-secondary transitions, I want to see your career plan. I want to read about your career plan before I meet with you so that I can better understand what your needs are and your goals are. So please follow these steps and help us keep your portfolios organized. That's it for this. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have questions.